Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, I'm Christy from Yes Chef. Thank you for joining me. Today we will be making mango sticky rice, the famous Thai dessert, but with a twist. This is the perfect dish to follow a Thai main for lunch or dinner. If you're interested in making Asian recipes like this, why not subscribe to my channel? Clicking the notification bell will also allow you to be informed when our videos become live. For this mango sticky rice recipe, you will need to have the following ingredients. 1 cup of black glutinous rice. So you normally see mango sticky rice with white rice, but today we will be using a black rice. 8 tablespoons of brown sugar, pinch of salt, 30 grams of sliced ripe mango, 1 piece of star anise, 300 ml of coconut milk, and 2 cups of water. For the full list of ingredients and cooking procedure, please see the link in the description to a downloadable recipe card for this dish. Start by putting the rice in a sieve and rinse under a running cold tap water for a minute. Once done, put the rice in a saucepan and add the cold water. Bring it to boil in a medium heat. And simmer in 10 minutes. Once it's dry, leave it to steam in another 5 minutes. In another pan, we can now start cooking the sweet sauce. Pour the coconut milk in the pan. Once boiled, add the brown sugar, add star anise, and add salt. Cook it until it's thick and smooth. Once it's thick enough, set aside some sauce for garnish. And don't forget to remove star anise. In the same pan, add the cooked black glutinous rice. Mix it with the sweet sauce. Set aside in separate bowl and let it cool for an hour. And now we'll start plating. You can always plate it differently. But be creative on plating. And that's my mango sticky rice. If you have enjoyed this video and like the content that we have provided, we would appreciate if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any suggestion or comments, we would love to hear from you below. Join us for the next video when we will be making lamb samosa with mint chutney. To be informed when it is uploaded, please click the notification bell when you subscribe. See you next time!